The HKUST Job Board is exclusive for our students and recent graduates. Now, let me show you how to use it. On the job board, you can search for job postings, put selected jobs into your job card, set notification on job deadlines, and customize your own job preferences. First, you need to log onto the job board with your ITSC account. Check the box for declaration. Here, you see a portal with our latest job postings. These are jobs that are newly posted on our board. With so many job postings across different industries and job types, and sometimes there's so many that you might get lost in them. To look for specific jobs, you can use our search function. First, click on Active Jobs to show jobs that are still open for applications. Then, say if you're looking for a finance internship in Hong Kong, select Internship under Job Type, select Banking and Finance Executive under Job Nature, and select Hong Kong under Work Locations. Then click on the magnifying glass search button. If there's a particular company you're interested in, for example, Alibaba, just type Alibaba on the search box. Pick and choose different criteria to customize your research. Play around with it so you can find exactly what you want. If a job catches your attention, click on it and you will see more details about it. The job details page will give you more information about the company, the responsibilities and requirements of the job, and if the employer has a flyer or an application form, it will also be attached here. For most jobs, you can apply directly using the application method listed. The most common method is email or through the employer's own application portal. Sometimes the employer might want HKUST Career Center to collect applications for them. And if so, you would see an online application button at the bottom of the page, and you can then follow the instructions and submit your application on the system. If a job catches your attention and you want to save it for reference, you can click on Add to Job Card on the upper right corner and it will be saved to your job card. You can set notification and you'll receive an email reminder 4 days before the application deadline. You can also set job preferences on our system to target your search. Click My Job Preferences on the upper right corner and make your selection. For example, you can specify business nature, job nature, employment, and work location. You can also set email notification when jobs that fulfill your preferences are posted. If you select daily notification, you would receive an email at 8 a.m. every day. If you select weekly notification, you would receive an email at 6 p.m. every Friday. Once you have made job preferences, they will be set as default when you first log onto our job board. If you want to remove them, just click Clear All. Now you know how to use our job board to look for your dream job.